Yeah. So seller financing, let me explain that to people just so they understand what it is, because it's kind of a catch-all phrase for a lot of different techniques. And the deal I did with a fourplex was, a bank loan and it was a private loan. So those are two. I look at these like as tools in your toolbox. And so when you're going out to buy properties, it's to your advantage to have as many financing tools as possible, because you don't know. It's kind of like working on a house. Like, you don't know what tool you're going to need. And seller financing is a tool a lot of people don't know how to use. But one of the big benefits is beneficial to you as a buyer, because you can negotiate often a lower down payment. You can negotiate a interest rate that's really attractive. You can get better terms sometimes. And it can be very beneficial for the seller, because essentially what they're doing is, instead of getting all their cash up front, they're getting some money from you up front, and they're turning what was often like a landlord. It was a hassle. They had to manage it. They're turning that into a regular passive income stream, and they're letting me, the buyer, do all the hassle and the property management, and they're just going to get a check from me on the first of every month. So it's a really nice way. It's almost like an annuity in the financial world, where you turn this asset that you have that was a kind of a little business, you turn it into this passive income stream that you can use to retire if you're a landlord, if you're a person who sold it. So that's kind of the framework of what seller financing is the seller is becoming the bank for you.